Hey guys, welcome to your favorite channel. First, let me show you what version of Shotcut I'm running. This is 22.10.25 on Manjaro Linux. And now I'm going to show you how to blur certain part of your video. First of all, you have to select and split part of your video that you want to operate with. Let's say that I would like to hide this top widget from my screen. And I'm going to look only for this first part of my video. Okay, and I'm going to split in here and put your cursor somewhere in this part and select this part. Now on filter tab, press on plus, and first thing that you need is mask, simple shape, then mask, blur box, and finally apply. Now select simple shape and make this element a little bit bigger, both in width and in height, and change its position up in vertical line like this to cover this top part of the screen, and I need to be bigger in width. And now you see we have this top part blurred. In order to make this haze thicker, you are going to select blur box and to raise these numbers, both of these. You know, you could play around with it. And now we have our desirable result. Now if you run this video, you are going to see that everything is as supposed to be. So what we have done in here: first, with a mask simple shape, you are going to select part of the screen that is going to be affected. With blur box, you are going to deal with parameters of this blurring effect. And with mask apply, you are going to finalize these settings. And at the end, don't forget to select only portion of the video you would like to operate with. So these settings, these filters are affecting only selected part of the video. So that's all for now, guys. See you around.